It's a lovely morning here in Bangalore, and we've got some 10 AMGs lined up for us here today. Why? Well, we're here for the AMG Performance Tour. Mercedes-Benz basically invites a lot of their customers, as well as prospective customers, to drive the entire range of AMG cars, both on the road as well as on the track, to really get a feel of the cars and really experience them and what they're really capable of.
The Bangalore leg of the AMG Performance Tour was held at Sundaram Motors, and Mercedes invited a lot of their existing customers, as well as people who had shown interest in buying AMGs for the event. And being a Saturday, friends and family were invited along for the ride. Mercedes had brought down AMG driving instructors from Germany and Poland to instruct and teach the participants so they can feel what the cars are truly capable of when driven well.
The AMG Performance Tour is a very unique event that we do exclusively for our AMG Performance Centers. It's essentially a meet of customers and enthusiasts of AMG, and we line up all of these beautiful cars. It's the full lineup that we have, from the C to the CLA to the S to the G over there as well, and we give them an opportunity to actually experience AMG like you should experience an AMG.
The cars had to be driven from Sundaram Motors to the venue, and so cars were allotted to customers at random. And before you call the guy who got the GTS lucky, remember, the cars had to be driven through Bangalore's hellish traffic before they reached the venue at Nice Road.
Okay, so what we have here is the slalom course. Basically, the CLA 45s and the GLA 45s have to weave in and out of a series of cones and get to the other end as fast as they can.
One of the instructors showed the participants how it's done, and then the participants had to go out there and do it themselves.
Okay, so what these guys have to do now is basically accelerate down that straight till about 80 kilometers an hour, and then really get on the brakes and try to stop within this box over here.
Both the C63s are much heavier than the CLAs, and so each car had to be approached differently, with different reference points for letting off and braking. All four wheels must be in the box when the car comes to a halt. If any of the wheels crossed the box's limit, contestants had either braked too hard or had just braked incorrectly.
Okay, so what's happening here is they've got to accelerate down the straight until they hit those set of cones. When they hit those set of cones, they've got to step on the brakes and try and stop before these set of cones. Okay, so what these guys are doing now is they're basically trying to maneuver through a track. They've set up a track with cones, with a couple of fast corners, a couple of slow corners, and they've got to get through there as fast as they can.
The entire AMG lineup was here, and there was no way I was leaving without getting my hands on them. Time was short, but we managed to squeeze in some time for one of them.
Okay, I'm sitting in one very special car. I'm sorry about the grin on my face, I can't do anything about it. That's what the AMGs do to you. But yeah, this is the AMG GTS. This is the car that they created to take on the iconic 911. They've put all the technological prowess into this car. I mean, it's got everything. It's dry sumped, it's got a hot V, it's got dynamic engine and suspension mounts, it's got a 4753 front rear weight bias, and that's in a front engine rear wheel drive car, and that's impressive. Now, this car, sure, it doesn't have the sheer flair that the SLS did, but it's not trying to be an SLS. Sure, it's a successor, but it's not trying to be an SLS. It's trying to be a sports car. It's trying to be a more precise instrument rather than a a showy rich man's toy, you know, and I think it does that pretty darn well. One more thing about this car, it's got this little magical button like most AMGs that turn the exhaust into this loud thing. Listen to it. Isn't that special? Do you think events like this AMG Performance Tour, makes people better drivers and safer drivers on the road?
Yes, it does, because this thing and all, we generally don't do it. In Bangalore roads, we should do it. Our roads are bad, people are bad, people keep coming here, there, everything. So it is necessary.
So you own an S63 Coupe and you're an AMG customer already?
Yes, that's right, yeah.
And you're enjoying the experience, huh?
I love it so far. I feel that it's the best car in the whole world. I'm biased again, but I feel that it's honestly the best of luxury, performance, sportiness, and the kind of technology that goes into any car in the world. It can hold up to any of them. So I feel it's definitely the best among the whole crop.
Okay, fine. Do you think events like these make you better drivers? They're teaching you some skills. They've got instructors down from Germany, from Poland. They're teaching you some essential driving skills. Do you think it makes you better drivers on the road?
Yeah, I think it really makes a lot of difference, man. I mean, there are a lot of things we don't realize as drivers. Those guys are professionals. They know, how you're supposed to brake, how you're supposed to turn, how you're supposed to get through corners. So yeah, I think they really know the deal. So yeah, it makes a lot of difference actually.
There was a lot to take away from the entire day. Contestants got to drive the complete AMG lineup in an environment where they could properly test their limits. Plus, the AMG driving instructors were there by their side, helping them at every step of the way. And I got to drive the GTS. I guess everyone left happy.